कुत्ते में तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा. Don't get me there anymore. Like, it was just a wonderful song. And the way they sing as well, like Chandan ji, Yusuf ji, Ekta, Anuja, they're all wonderfully talented people. Basanti!
I will say it's a super duper, dhamakedar and mazedar.
Yeah, because we have been far from here, our home, so we don't feel that we are missing anything. So these kind of events just keep us close to everybody back home.
कमीने मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा. Oh my gosh, I have always wanted to say that on camera. Well, guess what? I just had my chance. We are here today at the Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas musical concert, a tribute to the legendary Dharmendra. This event has been organized by Chandan Das Music and with extensive marketing support provided by Oz India Travel, Tanvi Goel. This evening's event is all about music, nostalgia, and that beautiful era of Indian cinema characterized by Dharmendra and the melody of that era. Can't wait to see what this evening has in store. What a great show coming along. Now, there was a bit of a surprise item. Before we talk about anything else, tell me, where did that big surprise item come and what exactly was it? Maybe you can tell our viewers directly.
So, Sharmeen, I always love, singing since childhood. But obviously there were a lot of things I didn't get chance to perform, but with Chandanji's support, very first time in my life I was singing with live musicians. I did sing before on karaoke on different community events, but very first time that I sang along with the whole team. I can't tell you how amazing I felt after that. It's like a bucket list tick off that I always wanted to do. I sang Rahe Na Rahe Hum, then you might share with your viewers as well. But yeah, really heart-touching moment for me.
Is Doris Sharma, who is the major sponsor for this evening's event. Doris, what brings you to support the cause of music?
We love to support any charity events. We like to help as much as we can, so that's the reason.
You do support a lot of events generally in Brisbane. Are you particularly drawn to music events?
Yeah, mostly music events, but we've also supported Rotary functions that's non-musical. Wherever we can support, for charity, we are always there.
Pankaj ji, in just a couple of words, how are you finding this show so far?
I will say it's a super duper, धमाकेदार and मज़ेदार.
बिल्कुल सही. संजय जी, आपके लिए अलग क्वेश्चन है. आपको धर्मेंद्र जी के मूवीज़ अच्छे लगते हैं?
बिल्कुल, हम बड़े हुए हैं उनकी मूवीज़ देख के.
आपकी फेवरेट मूवी?
चुपके चुपके, बहुत बार देखी है मैंने.
और चुपके चुपके का कोई आपका स्पेशल गीत या फेवरेट सॉन्ग, व्हाट वुड दैट बी?
अभी जो अंदर सुना रहे थे,
आप भी गाइए.
हाँ, वो एक्चुअली फीमेल वॉइस था. आई डोंट रिमेंबर.
दैट्स ऑलराइट. सुशील जी,
सजन सावन में. हाँ, यस.
वंडरफुल. सुशील जी, आपके लिए अलग चैलेंज है. धर्मेंद्र जी का कोई भी फेमस डायलॉग बिल्कुल स्वैग के साथ.
कुत्ते मैं तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा.
Thank you so much for joining us in a light moment. But on a serious note, if you can just share with us these kind of music events, what does it mean for the Indian culture in a country like Australia?
Yeah, because we have been far from here, our home, so we don't feel that we are missing anything. So these kind of events just keep us close to everybody back home.
Samika, one of the patrons just spoke about how local talent is being nurtured by way of shows like this, but you are one to always support local shows. Tell us a little more about that.
I feel it's very important to support the local people as well. Like, obviously, that's the only way the normal people will come to know how much talent we have in Brisbane. So I think it's absolutely important.
Prerna, I want to ask you, how important is it for shows like this to support a good cause?
I think it's really important because it's all about community at the end of the day. You, me, all of us, when we come together for a good cause, people get to know more about it. So it's all about spreading the word, spreading kindness. So I think it's really important. Music is universal language, just like kindness is. So I think it's a really good combination.
Now, from the three of you standing here, who can come up? Fastest finger first, okay? We're going to play a game.
Wow.
Your most favorite Dharmendra dialogue.
कुत्ते में तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा.
Okay, Jimmy, if you had to go for one.
I have no idea. I'm blank. Sorry.
Can you do a Sholay dialogue for us?
Mosi ji.
Thank you so much, ladies. Have a great rest of the evening.
And thank you again.
वही है ना जिससे आप इस जुनून से जिंदगी में अपना सुकून मानते हैं. वही है ना दोस्त जो इस राग सी जिंदगी में गीत बनकर जान दे.
I am backstage with our wonderful MCs for today, Anu and Zain. Of course, not a surprise to see you guys here. Anu, you look gorgeous as ever. How retro do you feel today?
pretty retro. It's white, and you can't go any more retro than that. I'm literally living the black and white era today.
क्या बात है अनु. Zen, what does nostalgia of such music mean to you?
Well, one of the best things is, growing up, you get to hear mom and dad listening to these songs. And so now seeing it live here today, special feeling, a lot of nostalgia.
Do certain songs remind you of people?
Yes, especially चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को. It was like just don't get me there anymore. Like, it was just a wonderful song, and the way they sing as well, like Chandan ji, Yusuf ji, Ekta, Anuja, they're all wonderfully talented people.
मेरे साथ है मंजू जेहू जी and Ashwin Sharma, who was one of the singers today. Manju ji, you are possibly one of the biggest supporters of tonight's event. What does it mean to you?
मेन चीज़ है, मेरे को पता है कि इतने शोज़ हम करते थे पुराने ज़माने में, पैसे नहीं होते थे, कभी कुछ नहीं होता था, तो मैंने ज़िंदगी में वो बनाया what I can do. I would like to look after older people, young people, so anywhere I can do, I will do it as long as you need me and you do as I tell you to do.
Wonderful. Manju ji, the night will go on. That was so nice. Ashwin, you sang absolutely beautiful. आपका धर्मेंद्र जी का फेवरेट गाना क्या है?
शोले, ये दोस्ती.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
Zafar Khan ji, who is a proud sponsor and supporter of the Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas event. Zafar ji, supporting an event like this, what is it that motivates you?
I think it's a good idea to promote local talent, and we always look for bringing people overseas. Why not? We should do that, but we should more focus on local to promote local talent as well. I think what I have seen tonight here, every single person, without any exaggeration, they were world class, and at least every moment was enjoyable. Yeah.
I couldn't agree more with you, Zafar ji. I think especially Brisbane has so much talent. What has been your favorite part of the evening?
Dance.
But we didn't see you dancing. But you were watching everyone dance.
Yeah, I think that was good. I think Dharminder ji's songs were very nice. That was one of the favorite part as well. So I think everybody's happy, everybody's enjoying themselves. What a beautiful night, wonderful night. It's unforgettable night, I would say.
Bilkul. Have you been a fan of Dharmendra and his movies?
Definitely.
Chandar, you are someone who is being seen at all the music events that I've at least been to in the last 1 year. What has been your experience of this evening's program?
Oh, it's beautiful, amazing. I know Chandan Das and all the singers were amazing, and you've been, great, taking care of everyone. And just lovely evening. I wish these things happen all the time, and I love music, and I can sing too,
Well, this is the best place that you can tell them, but also
and Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas is my favorite song. I sing very well.
I was actually just about to ask you what your some of the favorite tracks of tonight have been. So Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas is one. What else?
Dil Ke Paas and शोले का गाना था, वो कौन सा था? वो अपना हेमा मालिनी का था. लेकर हम दीवाना थे, तो वो तो आशा भोसले का था. Yeah, and pretty much all the songs were very nice. Just Kishore Kumar is my favorite. So and Chandan Das, amazing. Yeah. Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas, I wish I can sing one day on this stage.
I'm sure they are all going to watch this and listen to this, and I'm sure you'll have a chance to meet them all very soon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chandra.
Thank you.
Thank you. from KP Pro, who is a regular at events like this, not just to come and watch, but to actually support these events. Ash, I think it's incredible that you're always out there supporting local talent, local artists. What does it mean to you?
Absolutely, Sharmeen. I think if you think of an IT company supporting a music event, there's no match. But I have been doing this for the last 4-5 years, and every time I do it, I feel good, just because music has no boundaries. So that is why I always try to support each and every artist, whoever I can, obviously, all across Brisbane.
I think Brisbane is witness to that. Now, something that I have been asking all the patrons today, give me your favorite Dharmendra dialogue in style, because I know you can do it.
I think that is the one. I think he
Complete it.
I don't remember, sorry. I'm a big Dharmendra buff, but I don't remember movies, I don't remember dialogues. But I think one thing about Dharmendra is that till the time he was living, he lived his life to the full. He's a Punjabi by, he was a Punjabi by nature, and he lived his life towards the end till then.
Dharmendra ki ek fun fact ye hai that he's acted in over 300 movies and he could speak fluent Punjabi. Do you remember some of his movies from the last sort of 5 years of his life?
I think I remember one where he was, I think, one of the Dadaji or Nanaji in one of the movies. I don't remember the name.
Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani.
Yes, it was, that's one, yes.
The interesting part about Dharmendra is that he was equally an action hero, but he was also known for the romantic side of things. So I find it really interesting that you tapped into a lot of the romantic side of the event today. But here's something that I have been asking all of the patrons tonight. And गाने तो आपने बहुत गा लिए, अब 3-4 डायलॉग हो जाए.
वो डायलॉग थोड़ा सा तो वो मेरे को क्या बोलता है, आई मीन आई नो शोले डायलॉग बसंती इतना जानता हूँ मैं.
ये भी आप माइक पे कर लेते.
अच्छा, वो तो करना चाहिए था, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. सो थोड़ा सा ओके, वो इम्प्रॉम्प्टू नहीं आते, बट आई यू नो वो मेरे मन पे है, आई मीन हार्ट. आई कैन फील दैट धर्मेंद्र जी वॉज हियर, यू नो.
बिल्कुल. चंदन जी, we're now towards the end of the event and we're actually sitting here in the audience, and if you just look there at the stage and if you have to reflect back on the moments of this evening, what has been so special for you?
Teamwork. It was amazing. Everyone was dancing, everyone is enjoying the music, and hardly you can get the old music, you know, nowadays. Retros are there, amazing, that all dressed up nicely, you know. We enjoyed the show, that's the important thing. People enjoyed it. That's the biggest achievement, to be honest. And the stage, you look at this, the musicians, they did a very good job. Amazing work. Thanks a lot.
I can see the look of satisfaction on your face, Chandan ji, and I'm so happy for you. Now, the big question is, what is next for Chandan Das Music?
Okay, I'm planning to do a Jagjit Singh Ghazal concert, and then that probably would be the best night. Ghazal, everybody loves Ghazal, poetry, you know. So we'll do in Sama Bandh dete hain hum log. So let's try, like maybe in November. We are planning for it. One musician and singer is coming from India. They are actually Anup Jalata's follower.
Right.
And then our locals. So now the project is now celebrity and the locals. That gives them a bit of motivation as well. So they are now singing with good celebrities, you know. And interested as well. I'm trying to get some good singers from Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane. Let's do together. You know? That's the main thing.
just doing a quick shout out to the wonderful musicians of this evening's event. So the event kicked off with Punita doing an exclusive flute performance. We had Shobna, who is a local Brisbane poet who did some shero shairi with the audience, both in the first half and the second half. The music crew included Jack and Tejas on the guitars, Rajen Prasad on the tabla, Praveen Prasad on the drums, Sid and Sharad on the keyboard. The featured vocalist today, of course, Chandan Das ji leading the show, followed by Ashwin Sharma, Yusuf Ali Khan, Ekta Kapoor, Anuja, and even Tanvi making her stage debut today. It's been a fantastic evening of music, melody, and nostalgia, celebrating Dharmendra, Asha ji, and all the beautiful music of Bollywood. People have gone down memory lane, they have danced, they have sung, and maybe some of them have even cried. With this, we leave you tonight, and we will see you at the next event.